ACE means Accelerated Christian Education.
2. Yes, miss. 3. Yes, miss. 4. Yes, miss. 5. Yes, miss. 6. Yes, miss. 10. Yes, miss. 11. Yes, miss. The best girl and the best boy in this class. Sitting quietly. Okay.
Of the ABCs with AC and Christie, produced by School of Tomorrow.
He's in a letter in his place, has a very different face. All in the room, the place is set. We know the messy alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, and X, Y, Z.
One great advantage of ACE is its concepts of individualization. Children are diagnosed and ACEs are prescribed according to the student's needs.
This is a great opportunity given to our children. Once they get through level 1, then the progress of the child depends on himself. Our main objective is to imbibe all the character traits of the Bible in our children along with individualized studies.
ACE has two programs, preschool who do not know how to read and ACE level 1 who are learning to read.
My name is Faith and they gave me goal card and I'm supposed to be supposed to be finished till 1 to 4. Today I am answering post test and today's date is 15 and my name is Faith Venkatesh. Now I am writing my post test. Today we Miss gave us to write post test and we should complete till 1 to 4. And if we'll complete this goal, we get 1 star, and that's all. We finish this.
This is a merit chart, and you can see here 6 apples. They have 6 days, and if none of the apple is removed, that means the child will get end of the day 1 big apple. And plus points. This is a progress chart. Once they have finished the paces, children receive the stars, and they enjoy receiving the stars for their paces. This is the goal card, and they have to set the goal. This is a Bible reading pace. This is word building pace, and this is animal science pace. These are the display cards. The letters are learned through a animal, okay, whose name usually begins with the sound. Here you can see the vowels are marked with some signs. Some vowels are marked with line on top, that means a long sound. They have the long sound. And some vowels are marked with curve on top, that means they have the short sound. For example, A with line on top, that is A. I with line on top, that means I, which gives long sound. The aim of this program is to teach the letter and the basic sounds of the English alphabet.
Just to introduce the iCare language to the children. In A's, the language skills is split up for speaking and writing and is presented in a logical sequence through various activities. Now we provide lessons for both oral and oral language development. Actually, English has 26 letters, but over here it's split up into 36 letters. We have 36 different letter sounds, which gives the child an opportunity to read and speak and write using these sounds, and makes it very, very easy. Here the child is busy doing her pace work.
Put a flag. Put flag up.
And when she has any difficulty, she just puts her flag up. So there's a monitor and a supervisor who's moving around, and the monitor or the supervisor answers the flag.
I like it because they teach us good and many activities, and we can learn easily. When we came here, we know how to read. That's why I like it.
I like it because there are nice activities and we learn good knowledge about it.
These teachers are nice. They are teaching nicely for us. And we learn so many things about, we did craft and many things we did.
I'm Babu, I'm from A's class. We learn many activities. We like this class. We never thought this will be like that.